This is a short overview of how I charge for my IT and cloud consulting services for the small and mid-sized business. Most firms of this size don't have much, if any, budget for this type of thing. So understanding how it all works up front is pretty important to make sure it's affordable. So you're a business decision maker, maybe the owner or perhaps the IT guy who is trying to help the executives at the business understand what the cloud is and how they might capitalize on it. You're here because you think you need some professional help, you don't really have a budget for it, and you're wary of consultants. After all, they charge hourly, and that can get expensive, right? I completely understand, and I've been doing this a long time, and I appreciate your concerns. Many clients feel this way at first. So let me start at the beginning to help you feel more comfortable about the process. Essentially, I use three models. One is a simple flat hourly rate based on the scope of work, and I could give you an estimate on this cost. The most popular, however, is a predetermined package based on the complexity of your business, allowing you to decide what needs to be planned for right now and what can be kicked down the road. Our goal here is to develop a written roadmap. With cloud computing, you can't know where you're going, how to get there, and when you'll arrive, or even how much it's going to cost in the long run unless you have a plan. Lastly, I occasionally have a small engagement where a new company or an executive requires, let's say, some basic information about a transactional purchase. In other words, you're thinking about buying something and you want an expert second opinion. Perhaps a hosted PBX, voice or data circuits, or an already identified specific cloud technology. In these cases, I give advice on a contingency basis, whereby a fee is charged, but if you choose from a group of pre-screened providers, they will pay a portion of my fee, which results in a reduction of your original investment. So in the long run, it may be a lot less than you thought. So our goal is to develop your strategy as affordably as possible, avoiding an open-ended consultancy that could rack up the hours. In most cases, it will be a capped fee based on a project consultancy, agreed to up front, and we'll sign a contract to that effect. For this, you get initial fact-finding regarding your needs and a written plan showing the best way for your business to proceed. You can also have my help in implementing it if you like. This process will reduce TCO, save you money, and increase your return on investment in the long run. Hopefully this gave you a short overview. Essentially, I want you to get what you need in the most direct, cost-efficient way possible. My written work product always provides you with an independent, vendor-agnostic recommendation of what I see as your options and the high percentage play for any given technology. So how do we get started? Well, of course, this all starts with your free 30-minute consultation. Get to know me, ask more about how the process works, or let's even start to float some ideas out there about what you think you need, and we can move towards understanding if I might be able to help you. Of course, I'm hoping that you'll find value in our initial dialogue and the recommendations that I share with you so that you'll want to engage my consulting services. Now, if this sounds like something that you'd like to learn more about, give us a call here at 877-566-5600, or just simply click here and we'll give you a call to set up an appointment. Thanks for visiting, and I look forward to talking with you soon.